Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the page number on your Google Docs mobile application. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe, and below we just move on to the video. So how to insert the page number in Google Docs mobile, I just going to show in this video. So we just choosing this particular thing and just changing to print layout so you can easily view, and there is 3 pages. I just going to make it as a 4 page now. Just clicking on this and just making a page break here. So click on the plus symbol and just going to create a page break here. So now there will be a 4 pages. So if you need to insert a page number, click on this plus symbol, just scroll down, you will see an option called page number. Click this. There is a 4 different styles of option. 1, 2, you can see numbers on every page on the top, and the second is the first page like that, and the next is you can see the number is on the bottom. I just going to apply. You can see the number is on the top, so you can see the number here 2, the same like 3. And if you want to make it on the bottom, just click on this plus symbol and click on the page number, click on this bottom, and you can see the page number is inserted on the bottom side. Also you can see there is a two option. You can just insert on the top or bottom. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.